Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Testing Education. In today's video, we will cover 30 most important MCQs on pedagogy, especially designed for FPSC, PPSC, and educator test preparation. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2 yet, do check them out after this video. Each question comes with 4 options and I will share the correct answer at the end. So try to attempt every question before I reveal it. Let's get started and see how many you can get right. So today's our first question is the main purpose of education is to option A prepare for exams, option B develop personality, option C get a good job, option D earn money. And the correct option is option B develop personality. Question number 2. The best method for teaching at primary level is option A lecture method, option B activity based method, option C dictation method, option D memorization method. And the correct answer in option is again option B activity based method. Question number 3. Learning is a option A permanent change in behavior, option B temporary change, option C physical change, option D sudden change. And the correct option is option A permanent change in behavior. Question number 4. A teacher's role in a student-centered classroom is mainly option A authority figure, option B facilitator, option C controller, option D lecturer. And the correct option is option B facilitator. Question number 5. Feedback in the teaching process means option A students homework, option B teacher's lecture, option C students response, option D result card. And the correct option is option C students response. Question number 6. Who is known as the father of modern education? Option A Rousseau, option B John Dewey, option C Pestalozzi, option D for Bell. And the correct option is option B John Dewey. Question number 7. The process of measuring students' progress is called option A evaluation, option B motivation, option C instruction, option D planning. And the correct option is option A evaluation. Question number 8. Which method is most effective for developing creativity? Option A lecture, option B discussion, option C problem solving, option D drill. And the correct option is option C problem solving. Question number 9. A teacher who uses teaching aids effectively. Option A saves on time only, option B enhances student understanding, option C show off, option D fills time. And the correct option is option B enhances student understanding. Question number 10. What is the main purpose of a lesson plan? Option A to follow textbook, option B to guide teaching process, option C to impress principal, option D to finish syllabus. And the correct option is option B to guide teaching process. Question number 11. The process of transferring knowledge from teacher to student is called option A education, option B learning, option C teaching, option D pedagogy. And the correct option is option C teaching. Question number 12. Who developed the concept of operant conditioning? Option A Pavlov, option B Skinner, option D Thorndike, option D Watson. And the correct option is option B Skinner. Question number 13. Which learning theory emphasizes reward and punishments? Option A cognitive theory, option B behaviorism, option C humanism, option D constructivism. And the correct option is option B behaviorism. Question number 14. In education, motivation refers to option A external rewards, option B internal drive to learn, option C punishment, option D phrase only. And the correct option is option B internal drive to learn. Question number 15. A good classroom environment should be Option A, strict and quiet. Option B, supportive and engaging. Option C, competitive. Option D, discipline only. And the correct option is option B, supportive and engaging. Question number 16. What is remedial teaching? Option A, teaching for weak students. Option B, teaching for advanced learners. Option C, teaching after exam. Option D, extra homework. And the correct option is option A, teaching for weak students. Question number 17. The most effective way to manage a noisy class is option A, punishment. Option B, shouting. Option C, using attention signals or silent technique. Option D, ignoring them. And the correct option is option C, using attention signal or silent technique. Question number 18. In pedagogy, transfer of learning means option A, copying other. Option B, applying old knowledge to new situations. Option C, repeating same lesson. Option D, remembering facts. And the correct option is option B, applying old knowledge to new situations. Question number 19. The cognitive domain in Bloom's taxonomy deal with option A, knowledge and thinking, option B, skills, option C, attitudes, option D, emotions. And the correct option is option A, knowledge and thinking. Question number 20. The psychomotor domain relates to option A, attitude, option B, physical and motor skills, option C, emotions, option D, social behavior. And the correct option is option B, physical and motor skills. Question number 21. When a teacher adjusts teaching according to student level, it's called option A, individualized instruction, option B, group teaching, option C, traditional teaching, option D, peer learning. And the correct option is option A, individualized instruction. Question number 22. Which teaching method emphasizes learning by doing? Option A, project method. Option B, lecture method. Option C, question answered method. Option D, memorization method. And the correct answer is option A, project method. Question number 23. Curriculum is designed by option A, teacher alone. Option B, educational experts. Option C, students. Option D, parents. And the correct answer is option B, educational experts. Question number 24. Which of the following is a student-centered method? Option A, lecture. Option B, discussion. Option C, dictation. Option D, reading aloud. And the correct answer is again option B, discussion. Question number 25. A student learns best when option A, fear is used. Option B, he is interested. Option C, he is punished. Option D, he is ignored. Again, the correct answer is option B, he is interested. Question number 26. Learning becomes permanent when option A, it is meaningful. Option B, it is memorized. Option C, it is forced. Option D, it is repeated only. And the correct option is option A, it is meaningful. Question number 27. An effective teacher always option A, focuses on grades. Option B, encourages questions. Option C, avoids feedback. Option D, teaches quickly. And the correct option is option B, encourages questions. Question number 28. The first school of a child is a kindergarten. Option A, kindergarten. Option B, home. Option C, primary school. Option D, society. And the correct option is option B, home. Question number 29. The term hidden curriculum means option A, secret subjects. Option B, values and attitudes learn indirectly. Option C, unwritten rules only. Option D, school policies. And the correct option is option B, values and attitudes learned it indirectly. Question number 30. An effective evaluation system helps teachers to option A, improve teaching. Option B, punish weak students. Option C, select toppers. Option D, grade easily. and the correct option is option A, improve teaching. That's all for today's video. I hope these 30 pedagogy MCQs helped you revise key concepts for upcoming FPSC and educator tests. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Testing Education for more daily MCQs videos. Also comment below if you want me to cover the next topic, educational psychology or classroom management. See you in the next part. Allah Hafiz.